What's up, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. Happy New Year's, y'all. It's the new year. This is our first sneaker review of 2025. We are on the road to 1K. We still at about 400 subscribers, so make sure y'all run the subscriber count up, and we're going to try to get to 1K. I feel like y'all going to do it for us. We're going to have more than 1K, and we just going to prosper this year. So this is the first sneaker review of the year. Before we get into that, I do want to say, if you haven't watched my previous video of my top 10 shoes of 2024, make sure y'all go watch that. All right, now let's get into the review. All right, these are called the Air Jordan 5 Earth. This is a women's release, so this is what the box looks like. Just a regular old box. I got these early off Revolve, so this is where I copped this pair from. This is what they look like. Got some earth tones in it. Take out both of them. The size tag reads Earth Metallic Gold in Sale. I'm gonna show y'all the size tag real quick, just so y'all make sure this is what y'all size tag look like. Like I said, I did get it off the Revolve app. All right. As you can see, we got like a cream off-white color upper. Obviously, it's leather. Then we got some brown accents all over the shoe. We have a Jumpman embroidered sign on the heel. And then we have it on the tongue. We got some metallic gold. This is where that metallic gold color comes in on the tongue. I do like this. I think it's an okay shoe, but I do like the metallic gold in the shoe. And then we have it on the shark tooth detailing. We got some dark brown on the upper eyelets. We obviously have a dark brown lace lock. And then it's dark brown sock lining. Then, of course, we can go to the bottom of the shoe. The midsole is dark brown as well. We got that air pocket on the back of the shoe. And then on the bottom, this is where that sail color comes in. We got a sail bottom and a brown bottom. Off-white laces, off-white eyelets, and then off-white knitting. Like I said, I think it's a decent shoe. Not the best vibes I've ever seen, but I think it's a decent color. I do like the off-white color on the overall majority of the shoe. I really like the metallic gold tongue and the shark tooth detailing. I do like the metallic gold. I think it goes very well with the color scheme. And oh, almost forgot, got the 23, which pays homage to Jordan's jersey number. So of course we got that on the shoe as well. It's like off-white and brown. But yeah, this is a nice shoe. I like it. I definitely say if you like off-white colors, you like brown, you like gold, this is the shoe for you. They are coming out in women's sizes only, no preschool, no toddler. And they do come out January 22nd. So, like I said, if you like the shoe, make sure you cop. This is the second retro drop of the year. The Black Cats 3s came out before these, and then this is the second drop, January 22nd, women's sizes. But this basically concludes my video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, Air Jordan 5 Earth, women's release, January 22nd. Make sure y'all cop.
When you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original.